Amazon sellers, today's inside information is all about price gouging. Price gouging information that you need to know to preserve your business and to get your accounts and listings back. Today's Google Trends report is, of course, about price gouging. Breakout terms, reporting price gouging on Amazon, price gouging on Amazon. And I did some research, and on Quora, I found an answer. A Google Trend breakout means in excess of a 5,000% increase in the search term. Before we get to price gouging, I gotta talk to you about sourcing from India and the IndiaSourcingTrip.com. IndiaSourcingTrip.com. Many people have no idea that you can get incredibly high quality products at great prices from India. Also, when it comes to Corona, there are practically no Corona cases in India when you compare it to the size of their population. But the main reason to go to IndiaSourcingTrip.com is to meet Megla and her incredible team of coaches, Tim Jordan, Chris Thomas, Gary Huang. These people are leaders in our industry. And in India, you can get extremely high quality products at extremely low prices, higher quality than China, competitive prices, sell these products on Amazon, and you can do extremely well. I can't recommend IndiaSourcingTrip.com highly enough, and their online course is absolutely killer. And the next trip to India, where you can see Delhi and visit the Taj Mahal, is in October. IndiaSourcingTrip.com. Price gouging suspensions on Amazon, how we get your listings back, how we get your accounts back, how we write the greatest plans of action and appeals. The second part of price gouging is when an attorney general, the attorney general in your state, reaches out to you, usually in the form of an information subpoena. Most states in the country have empowered their attorney generals to get information from you without ever going to court. Immediately contact that attorney general. Let them know we are taking it seriously. We're gathering data, looking at their local statute. We may retain local counsel, analyze your state's law, and also the data regarding your sales. Attorney generals generally have no idea about Keepa and repricing software and being able to track the historical prices of products on Amazon. Often the data shows there were other price peaks and no price gouging. They also often show that all you were doing was selling your products at the same rate as Amazon or other sellers. If we are concerned that you have exposure, we try and connect ourselves with a local criminal defense lawyer to make sure that the information that we are providing to the attorney generals and our interpretation of the statute is dead on. We don't want to expose sellers to any criminal liability. It is an effort in persuasion to educate the attorney generals about Amazon and show that you did not engage in price gouging, which from what I have seen from the hundreds of calls and emails and chats, Amazon sellers almost across the board did not engage in price gouging under the state laws. You want to get these issues resolved without ever being charged with anything, without ever seeing the inside of a courtroom. That's how we are handling price gouging cases when the attorney general gets involved. And Arthur's link to our videos on how we are winning plans of action and appeals with price gouging on Amazon. Thank you for joining me for today's Inside Information. Please join me every single day where I have the honor of updating you as to what we see from our 10,000-foot view from helping thousands of sellers, dealing with tens of thousands of listings, and helping you win every day.